Friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python by Professor Sudarshan Iyengar, IIT Ropar. This is a 12-week course. The week 4 contents is available here, and the week 4 assignment is also available here. This last date of submission of this assignment is the 23rd of August. So first we'll solve the assignments. What is a magic square? So the correct option is option B, a square grid of numbers where the sum of the rows, columns and diagonals are equal. Option B is correct. Next question, question 2. In a 3 cross 3 magic square, what is the magic constant? In a 3 cross 3 magic square, what is the magic constant? So the correct option is option D, 15. Next question is, which of the following is not a property of magic square? So the correct option is the sum of each individual element is equal. That is the wrong. Means the correct option is option D. Next is, what will be the output of the following code? The code is given here and the options are here, but the code given here is wrong because the code given generates a matrix of letters. It doesn't generate a matrix of numbers, so it doesn't generate the magic square. So this question is wrong. It may be possible the coordinator changed the questions or that. So I will not provide you the answer of this question because the code is different and the options are different. Next question is question 5. What will be the output of this code? The code is given here. The correct option is option A, sorted list containing random elements between 0 and 10 in descending order. Option A is correct. Next question is question 6. Which code will generate all prime numbers between 0 and 100? So the correct option is option B, this code. This code generates the prime numbers between 0 and 100. Next question, question 7. In the birthday paradox, as the number of people in a group increases, what happened to the probability that two people share birthday? The correct option is option A, it increases. Next question, which module is used to generate random numbers in Python? So correct option is option B, random module. Random module is used to generate the random numbers. Next question is 9 question. Which function is used to shuffle a list in Python? Correct option is option A, random.shuffle. Function is used to shuffle the list. Next question and last, what is the output of this code? The code is given here. So the correct answer is a random ordering of numbers 1 through 5. So correct option is option C, a random ordering of the numbers 1 through 5. So this is the solution of week 4 assignment 4 of the NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python. Please submit it on or before 23rd of August. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.